time to feed the baby. Here's Stinky Poop. Huh. Waking up, busting me out already. Yeah, because he wants to eat. Yeah. So good, though. This is what they are here for. Since my baby has gotten bigger, look at the position he lays in. My boy has gotten healthy meat on him. Look at that. Look at these little fat men feet. Look at this little fat man, little thighs. Look at that chunky butt. Just eating. He has to stay with socks on now because all he does is dig at his face. And we can't have that. He be leaving marks on his face, scratching himself out, boy. But our morning feeding, as you can see, our morning feeding isn't at 4 in the morning anymore. Or 7 in the morning. It's actually 9. Woohoo! Yay! I'm super excited to get that sleep in now. He does get up like every 4 hours, we could say. Which is okay with me for now because before he was getting up every hour, every 2 hours. So now the 4 hours actually gives me a little bit more leeway. But, yeah. I'm not as tired, but I'm still tired. But, for the most part, he lets me get some rest. So, his favorite way to be burps. And he's always doing that. I just, look, see, he's just amped. You want to keep eating? Oh, whoa, God bless you, man. Did you want to keep eating, fat man? Huh? There's a fat boy. Hey, fat boy. So, yeah, like I said, it's way better because I get... No, boy, take the shoes off. I get to... You can keep them on, but you're not going nowhere right now. But, yeah, I get more sleep. God bless you, Zai. And... yeah, it's better for the both of us. But his new thing is usually he wakes up right now, he'll eat and go back to sleep for like 2 more hours. But I'm not letting him do that today. You do not need no more than that because, I don't know, for some reason he still naps through the whole day. And at night it's broken up. So we're trying to get him switched over now. Get off of that, baby. We've been doing okay, but this one is tricky. You want more milk or no? Excuse me. Whew. Excuse me. So right now you see how he's just anting around. This is my morning baby. He doesn't know what he wants to do. I don't know what he wants to do. But he gonna scream and he gonna let me know soon. Look, he always doing that face. What you want, man? Huh? The crazy part is I'm checking my underarms because ever since I started breastfeeding with this baby right here, I call him spicy. My underarms be getting spicy. That's the best way to describe them. That's what they feel like. It feels like something is pulling. Like, you know how when you milk, if you know how when your body starts producing the milk, your boobs start to pull for your milk to come out. With this, it's like Do you want boobs or no? Jemai said no. I don't know. What's wrong? Look, see, and this is where I gotta play the guessing game. But it feels like, seeing how he takes it now. It feels like my milk. When my milk is being made in there, it's a pulling feeling. When he's eating, that's how my underarms feel. And sometimes they actually like sweat. Like it feels like sweat, and I can feel it if I put my hand under there. Right now, it's not doing it, but it's so weird because like that's never happened to me before. And with him, I'm guaranteed the spicy pits. So I'm like, let me put deodorant on, see if it stops. No. I'm like, yo, this is weird. And the thing is, though, it doesn't stink. It doesn't stink. That's why I don't mind it. In the beginning, I'm not gonna lie, it did. Anytime I would breastfeed, I would sweat like he was pulling something out of me. And I'm just like, what the heck is going on? I've never had that happen before. So it definitely was weird, but at the same time, it's like, it is what it is. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, it has stopped though, so I'm happy about that. Like I said, I could feel it. That's why I just went to check underneath both of them. Excuse me, but yeah, when he's eating, I could definitely feel pulling in my underarms, and it's like, what the heck is going on? But yeah, this is our morning feeding now, and this is the way that my baby sits now that he's so big and in the way, you know? I can't sit him in between my leg that much no more because he's too big. He still gets burped the same way. He likes to be laid on his side, and I can pat his back while he's laying down. Like this, basically. Or sitting straight up like he just was. He'll fall right to sleep, like start napping, as soon as I pick him up to burp him that way. Or I put him over the shoulder like in my other video. He definitely still likes that. But, yeah. And I've been getting, my patches are coming back. They are definitely coming back on my chest area. And they are very itchy. So, I will be getting my aloe to put on there. I had used cornstarch in the middle because it was so itchy, but because my boobs were touching, it was sweating. So it gave it like a rash. But every time I every time I went to scratch it, it was just irritating it. So I used cornstarch, put a little in between so that when they rub together, it won't irritate it. And that did work. The one in the middle actually went away. But, yeah, as far as everything else, I'm going to put some aloe vera on there and see what happens. It did work before, though. I just haven't been doing it every day. So I know when I do it every day, it will clear it up. But I do have a couple patches on my chest area. And, yeah, today I have on my breastfeeding bra, which is awesome. It comes down in the front. So all I gotta do is unhook it and pop the booby out. So, yeah, it's a little flat. And it clicks on to the top. This is like a little clicker. Yeah, we hear you. So I just click it on there. And then it's back on. See, whoop. Whoa, right on my bed. You are freaking awesome, man. He does not care. So, that's what comes with eating too much after feeding. Come on. Because my boy, he was cluster feeding just for a little bit, but now he makes it like a daily thing, and it's hard to not give him no milk. Because Because all he gonna do is scream. He gonna make sure of that. So. Yeah. Put the charger back, babe. I need it. Put it on mommy's TV. Thank you. But that's our morning feeding. As you can see, I sat him up and he did his burp. So that's usually it. We usually wait for one big behind burp and call it a day, right, big boy? Look. Look, fat dad. Look, fat dad. Let's say, see ya. Y'all see my morning feeding? See you. Right? You say, see you guys. Your fat butt. Alright, we are out. That was our morning feeding, and we are getting more sleep.